Welcome to .NET Technology video series. Today we will understand the concept of modifier or access modifier, in which first we will understand the introduction of access modifier. Access modifier defines the scope of class member. A class member can be variable or function. Access modifier are keyword used to specify the declared accessibility of a member or a type. Now we will understand why we are using the access modifier. Access modifier are an internal part of object-oriented programming. They support the concept of encapsulation, which promote the idea of adding functionality. Access modifier allow you to define who does and does not have access for certain features. In a programming, sometimes you are aware or you can view the keyword like public, private, protected. Such kind of keyword is known as an access modifier. With the help of that access modifier, programmer can provide the functionality to user to access some of the part of program or provide the facility to how much program part is accessible to the particular user. Here we are understanding four basic C# access modifier. First one is a public, then private, protected, and last internal. As the name suggests, public access modifier is used to provide the access of entire features, or it can be used at any of the place in your program. The code is accessible for all the classes. Then private. The code is only accessible within the same class. The particular class or function boundary start, opening bracket and closing bracket. In between you can access the private access modifier. But out of the scope of the class or function, you can't use that particular private access modifier. Now third one is a protected access modifier. The code is accessible within the same class or in a class that is inherited from that class. Means in one of the class you are going to define any of the variable or function with protected access modifier, then it can be also used in the other class, which is the concept of inheritance. Means the base class and parent class both have access of protected access modifier, variable or function or class likewise. And last one is a internal. The code is only accessible within its own assembly. Assembly means entirely your solution explorer contain all the file. It's one of your assembly, entire your program, entire your application, but not from another assembly. It can use only within the assembly. Only internal access modifier can be used or can be applicable. Sometime you heard that default access modifier. Yes, it can be possible. When we are not going to define any of the modifier with the variable function, then it is the default access modifier will be implies over there. So this is the basic fundamentals of access modifier. Again, I am repeating the modifiers name. First one is a private, public, protected and internal. Public will used for the all of the classes. Private will be within the scope of the classes. Protected, the child class and parent class both, and internal within the your program, your application, or within the your assembly it will used or it will accessible. So this is the basic concept of access modifier. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you for watching this video.